Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of withdrawing funds from Alpha Capital Group. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to help you navigate the withdrawal process smoothly. Section 1. To start, log into your Alpha Capital Group account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Funds Management or Withdrawal section of your dashboard. Here you will find the options for different withdrawals method. Section 2. Alpha Capital Group offers various withdrawal methods including direct bank transfers and other platforms like Binance or Rise. Choose the method that suits you best. If you're using Binance, you'll need to transfer your funds there first before converting them to your local currency. Section 3. After selecting your withdrawal method, enter the required details such as amount and payment information. Review your request carefully and confirm it. You might need to verify your identity as part of the process. Section 4. To ensure a smooth withdrawal, avoid common errors and ensure you comply with any verification requirements. This will help prevent delays. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to withdraw your funds from Alpha Capital Group efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related problem-solving videos. I'll see you in the next one.